Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about forward and reverse starter. So I have already made a video on dual starter and dual starter with timer sequence. So if you have not seen that video, you can check that video. You can see this other video. You can see this. So your basic understanding regarding the starters will get clear. You will be easily able to find out these component. So in this video, I'm going to talk about forward and reverse starter, and I'm going to take number 4 engine room fan, which is a reversible. Reversible means it can run in supply mode also, and it can run in exhaust mode. So let's see how this forward and reverse starter work. First, I will go with the power circuit. As you know, this is a power circuit. Why we call power circuit? Because 440 power, or you can say the main power, is directly connected to the motor. So we call this is a power circuit. We call this whole circuit as a control circuit uh, because this circuit only control the complete starter. So this is called a control circuit. It uh, it senses your alarms, pressure, and control various things. So we'll see what things are there in this starter, what timers, heaters, whatever things which are connected. After here, the power will come till here. You can see 135 for K1 contactor, and this is a K2 contactor, which is just connected same like this parallelly. Both are in open condition right now. So the power is coming till here and it's waiting. So once this contactor will get closed, then only the power will go. So forward and reverse. The main funda behind the forward and reverse is uh, you have to change the connection of any of the two phases. Like you have to simply change the wiring of any of the two phases. Like you have U, V, W. So you can change the connection of V and W. Just swap the connection and your motor direction will change. This V is coming from here and is connected to W. The center one is connected to center, and the W one is connected to U. So you can see here, this one is the forward, K1 is the forward, and K2 is the reverse. This is a thermal relay. This thermal relay will come in action when the motor start drawing more than the set value. Let's enter in the control circuit now. So let's see, these two tappings are connected to this circuit breaker. F1 is your circuit breaker. Next to this is your transformer, which convert 440 to 230. And after here, two connections are running. You can see one is going to thermal relay, and the next one is going to F5, which is your circuit breaker. So one by one we'll see. This whole circuit, if you have seen my old video, you must be knowing, is the heater for your motor, space heater. And this is the LED lamp which will glow if your space heater is activated. These two are K1 and K2, same coils. Because any of the contactor is energized, this space heater should cut off. So they have given an interlock which is in series. So if your contactor is going to energize, this is going to open and stop your space heater. This is same breaker part, two side, and this is the heater switch, both the side. So I guess you are clear. This 220 is coming like this from both the side, and it is working for this space heater. Now we'll move ahead and see this thermal relay. So after the thermal relay, you have a timer contact, which is your K5. K5 is here. You can see K5 is here, and the contact of the timer is present here. This is right now normally open. So the power will not move ahead because this is normally open. So it will come like this, and it is coming to your K5 timer. Okay, and this is also connected directly, no obstruction. So as soon as the power is present in the circuit, this is going to activate K5. This timer role and function I have explained you in my previous video, if you can check that. So this timer is going to activate once this breaker is connected, and the power will run, and it is going to activate this timer, and after 20 seconds, you can see here 20 seconds is there. So after 20 seconds, this will get closed and your power will be available here. This is your supply of an exhaust switch. So there are three modes supply of an exhaust. Whatever mode you want, you can select it. First, we'll see supply mode. Okay, if you connect this supply mode, so this is the supply line and this is the exhaust line. So if you're going to put in supply mode, the power will get connected here and it will come to K1 contactor, and it is going to energize this contactor K1. Once this K1 contactor energizes, your this breaker is going to get closed and the power will go to the motor and it will run in supply mode. At the same time, this K1 contact will get open and it is going to stop the space heater. This is the supply running light which is just parallel to it. When this is going to get power, this will also start glowing. Here you see this K1 contact. When this energizes, this will get closed. Your hour meter, which senses the running hour of motor, will get closed and it will start running. So this part is clear right now. Once this is going to energize, this will get closed, this will get open, this will get closed. How you are going to trace it? You can see here 130, 1, 2 and 3. These are the pages and the connection points. 130 is your page number. This is right now 130 page of this manual. So in that only you have to see 130.1. Point 1 is what? On top you can see, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the row they have given. So 130.1 means in the one row, this contact is going to play a role and this will get closed. So in this same 130.1, they have a 3 different connection. Then they say 130.8. 8 is what? Your here, this row, K1 contact. And 130.3. 3 is what? Here. So these are the contact. With the help of this, you're going to trace in the wiring diagram. Right now the fan is running in supply mode. So what you can do, you can switch it off. You can select the off condition and it will get off. Most of the time, try to off it first and wait for near about 1 minute so that fan will get stopped. So if you're going to give sudden jerk, this is going to affect the motor windings. So you must avoid the sudden change. Only in case of emergency, you have no option. It is off and it is settled for 1 minute. Now if you want to run in exhaust mode, once you put in exhaust, this will get closed. This K2 will get energized. Once this is going to get energized, your contact for space heater will get open. This K2 contact will get closed and the power will come like this and it will run the motor in exhaust mode. And you can see this is a running light signal which is for the exhaust running. Once K2 is energized, this will get closed, your hour meter will be running. So this is it in forward and reverse starter. And I hope you like it. I'll be bringing the more starter video. So do like and subscribe it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.